This is what I'm eating for lunch. Peanut butter crisp. Like peanut butter, you'll love this. I give it like an 8.5. Lemon bar. This one is really good. It tastes exactly like a lemon bar. I love that it's not too sweet and that they made it a little bit tart. Give this one a 9. If you like lemon, you're really gonna love this cookie. Snickerdoodle skillet. It's a good cookie. It's just not my favorite flavor. If you really like Snickerdoodle, you're really gonna like this one. I would give it like a 7.5 or an 8. Cake batter. I'm really excited for this one. This one is so good. It tastes exactly like cake batter. Chocolate covered strawberry cheesecake. I almost don't even taste the strawberry. It doesn't really taste like strawberry. It just tastes like a normal cheesecake with a chocolate on it. But I like it. I think I would give it like 8.5. Oreo tres leches. I'm really excited for this one. It's okay. I thought it was going to be way better than it was. I would give it like 7.5. Milk. See you next time.